Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing a crisp QR image at high resolution. This matters because scanning fails with blur. Once you have the PNG or SVG, open Alight Motion and create a composition that matches your final output size and frame rate. Then import the QR asset and place it on its own layer near the top of the stack so you can see placement. Make sure transform controls are active. This is the first actionable step that lets you scale. Now you position and scale the QR so phones can read it. Aim for about 15 to 30% of the screen for handheld viewing and keep contrast high. If the QR needs to follow motion, add keyframes to the transform properties or use Alight Motion's tracking features to attach it to a moving object. Once done, add a simple mask or crop to preserve quiet white space around the code. These steps ensure readability while allowing animation. Finish by exporting a test still or a short clip at final quality, because compression can break QR readability. Use a high bitrate or lossless codec for the test, then immediately scan with several phones and QR apps to confirm. If a scan fails, make adjustments. Increase the QR's on-screen size, remove semi-transparent overlays, or re-export using lossless settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if motion or effects blur the code, freeze frame the QR during the critical read window so scanners can lock on.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.